You're not scaling a business right now. You're scaling garbage faster. Let me explain. Every business owner out there thinks that their current CRM sucks and that the next one that they're looking into right now is better. Doesn't matter whether it's HubSpot, Go High Level, Salesforce, or something industry specific like Buildium, Service Titan, TechMetric, Circle Black, whatever it is. But here's the truth that no one really wants to hear. It's not the software that's broken, it's your data. And until you fix that, every ad that you run, every automation that you set up, every AI system that you build or have built for you is only doing one thing, and that's multiplying chaos and mess. Dirty data is like sludge in an engine. I should know. I'm a former mechanic. Trust me, I've seen it. It burns fuel, it slows down performance, and eventually it starts to break things. Whether it's wrong duplicates, half filled out field, or someone's name that's put in as John HVAC guy, maybe. You can't build accurate reports, your automations misfire, and your AI tools, well, they start making bad decisions. If your inputs are wrong, your insights are going to be completely worthless. And while you think you might have a marketing problem, what you actually have is a measurement problem disguised as a marketing problem. And the dangerous part of all of this, you can still look busy while everything else quietly decays around you. Sure, your dashboards show activity, but it's not accurate. You watch as your numbers go up, but your conversions, they stagnate. You run automation campaigns, but half of your messages hit outdated contacts. This is what I like to call phantom performance. It feels like motion, feels like progress. It feels like you're stepping up and making things happen, but in reality, it's really just noise. So let's make this tangible. What can clean data do for your business? A lot. Clean data means that every contact has a first and last name. It means that every deal has both a value and a source. Every company is tagged by type, location, and life cycle stage. Consistent naming conventions. We're not looking for 5 different types of ways to label something as a hot lead, one with capitalization, one without capitalization, one with a fire emoji, because when you standardize, you create order. And order is what AI understands. Order is what AI feeds off of. Think of your CRM for a moment like a brain. You're either feeding it structured knowledge or scrambled noise. What's going to get you the results you really want? Now, once your data is clean, everything compounds from here. Your automations, they start to fire perfectly, exactly the way you wanted them to. Your reports, they actually reflect reality. And your ad targeting, well, that starts improving through the roof because you finally have a full understanding of which customers actually convert. And when you finally plug AI into that system, it works. See, the magic isn't in the AI itself. The magic is in the clarity. That clarity lets you spot hidden opportunities. It lets you spot idle revenue, and it can even help you identify client churn before it even happens. It's like switching from fog lights to daylight. Now, here's the truth that's going to take a weight off your shoulders. You don't need to rebuild your CRM. You just need to clean it. And if you follow the steps I'm about to share with you, you can do it in roughly about 60 minutes. Step 1. Export all of your contacts into a CSV file. Next, get rid of all of the duplicates that are found. And you can do that using your favorite spreadsheet program, or you can even use an AI model like ChatGPT or Claude to do that as well. Next, normalize all the names. Normalize the structure of all of the phone numbers as well as the emails. Next, add any missing info like life cycle stages and sources. Next, create some tags. You're going to want to base your tags around things like industry, service type, and client size. Once you've done all that, go ahead and take the file and re-import it back into your CRM. And now your automations actually know who's who. Do that just once, and everything in the business gets 10 times easier that much quicker. Look, AI is only as smart as your systems. If you feed it nothing but garbage, all you're going to get out of it is garbage and probably a little bit of chaos too. But when you've got good, clean, solid data, it turns your CRM into a crystal ball. So before you add another automation, launch a new ad campaign, or actually consider moving forward with that new CRM software, do this first. In fact, if you click the link below in the description, you can go ahead and grab our CRM Data Cleanse SOP. totally for free. It's a 1-hour checklist that makes every other system you build actually worth using.